tingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pa magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig.
Hi guys! Hello sa mga Bean Street fans. Shoutout po sa inyo. Etong idol nyo, binisita ko dito sa may Robinsons, Manila para panoorin ako kasi idol niya daw ako. Yun sabi niya.
Weh,
Diba?
sinabi niya yun?
Mo, hindi ko.
Ako ba?
Ay, hindi siya.
Shoutout sa inyo mga Bean Street fans. Hello, for today's video, susunduin natin ang mga bata sa kanilang training dito sa Groove. Hi, hi, hi!
Dance lang sila ng influence sa loob. We're just staying here to see if it's smaller.
So, how's your training?
Tiring?
Tiring. Gateway. Hi, Tenten! DJ, L, are you ready? Let's go. Kailangan na natin mag-ayos. Time check. At ano oras na? 11?
30.
So, time check, 11:30.
Bawal makita ang
So, kailangan na muna namin mag hair and makeup.
May video.
Okay, let's go.
So, ayan guys, nandito po kami ngayon sa Groove Central kasi after po ng training namin, dito na din kami nag-ayos. And dito sa video na to, tinuturuan ko po si Stella sumayaw para sa kanilang Daisian's Got Talent, but sadly, hindi namin alam na aalis pala si Stella with Tita Regine, kaya hindi siya nakapag-dance. Kaya yung mga classmate niya na lang, kaya nag-send ako ng video. Kaya kung gusto niyo gawin yung DC ko, gawin niyo. Todo practice pa kami ni Stella dito, hindi naman pala siya kasama. Pero in fairness, ang galing niya, latang may pinagmanahan. Sama ko na rin tong video na to na ako nagturo sa mga classmates ni Stella dahil ako naman talaga magtuturo doon. Kaso wala si Stella, kaya tinuruan ko pa rin sila. Tapos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ikot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ikot na kayo. Ayun, hindi ikot. Ito lang kayo. Okay, isa pa. Dito sa harap. Patapos na tayo, please. Line. Pakalong na po, ha? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After ito, diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay. 4, 5. Yung tinuro ko sa inyo, ha? 5, 6, 7, go. Bola, 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 bola.
after training, papunta na kami ngayon dito sa Robinsons, Manila. Sinundo namin sila para sa kanilang guest performance dito sa Robinsons. So, training sila ng 7 to 11 a.m. Then, diretso dito sa Robinsons, Manila. Kaso nga lang tulog pa siya. Ayun o. Si Scarlett, ngayon pa talaga siya nakatulog.
Tingnan mo, may drink store, puro shoes. May mga tatak.
Let's go. Sa akin. Ayun o. So we're here na at Robinsons, Manila. Time check, it's 2 o'clock. So tama lang sa call time namin. Hi!
Hi guys, we're here now, but I don't remember. You dancing?
Yes, Rob, Hot Wheels, kayo Lina, Daphne, and Cloud.
Di ba tayo pumunta ng nakaraan?
Yes! Doon po sa harap.
Doon sa harap.
Hi, ma'am!
So kung kayo po ay isang One Piece fan dito sa may Robinsons Manila Event Center hanggang March 28, mabibili nyo po yung mga live action figures and yung mga iba't ibang anime figures. Kung collector kayo, bumili na kayo guys.
Without the support of our valued retail and venue partners, we would like to call on our representative from Toys R Us, Miss Alexandra Crevito, our store manager, to help us with our ribbon cutting. And now, I need everyone's help and participation on this one. Are you guys ready? So this is the moment we've all been waiting for. So, let's count it down together, everyone. On my count. 3, 2, 1. Cut. Let's set sail. Congratulations, and the journey officially begins right now. Let's all give them a big round of applause. And of course, we will be taking a photo together with all of our VIP representatives from our respective partners. After which to be followed by our influencers and our dancers. Okay, we will be taking photo and video, so everybody wave. Okay, so let's invite our dancers together with our influencers here in front to take some photos. Okay, guys. Again, we will take a photo and some videos also. Okay, find your places, everybody. Wow, I love the One Piece theme outfits. Okay. All right, everyone, find your places. Smile. some photos. Do we need more videos from them? Waving. Okay, from our game. And it's time to head on inside and check out what we have in store for everyone. So earlier, we've invited our fans who are wearing One Piece attires to join our raffle. So that's what we picked from our raffle box a while ago. And then of course, we'll go directly here in our display area where we are showcasing our new One Piece toy. So come on everybody, let's check out. And then we have here Mr. Lloyd Palabis, our brand specialist of One Piece Toys under Move. So hi sir!
Hello.
How are you doing today?
I'm very excited naman since currently we are launching the One Piece live action toys under Musi.
I'm sure everyone is excited to see what we have in store for them today at our media launch. So Sir Lloyd, what are the new toys that we have under One Piece? Can you please explain to us?
So currently, we have displayed here the whole collection except the plushes for the One Piece live action of Moose Toys. So to start is the action figures. For this one are the action figures articulated versions under Moose, which focuses on Zoro, Chopper, and Luffy, and also comes with other accessories which aligns to their specific superpowers.
Ingit ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pa magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig.
Hi guys! Hello sa mga Bean Street fans. Shoutout po sa inyo. Etong idol nyo, binisita ko dito sa may Robinsons, Manila para panoorin ako kasi idol niya daw ako. Yun sabi niya.
Weh, sinabi niya yun?
Mo! Hindi ko.
Ako ba?
Ay, hindi siya.
Shoutout sa inyo mga Vincent fans.
We're leaving! Among Us.
Ulit! Naiiwan dun si Janine. Sige, okay lang. Practicein mo na lang ulit.
One, down. Baba. Scoop. Cut. Emergency meeting. Up. Dead. Nandun na ba?
Oh, stop na muna.
5, 6, 7, 8. Bam, bam, cha. Bam, bam. And scoop. And 1 and a 2 and a 3. 4 and a 1 and a 2. 4 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 80 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and 7.
That's Manila! Let's start to sail an epic adventure with DJ, Action, and L, and Gene Status Varsity Dancers. Let's give them a big round of applause!
Wealth, fame, power. Gold Roger, the king of the pirates, attained this and everything else the world had to offer. Pursued of dreams greater than they'd ever dared to imagine. This is the time known as the Great Pirate Era.
Come aboard and bring along all your hopes and dreams. Together we will find everything that we're looking for. One Piece. Compass left behind, it'll only slow us down. Your heart will be your guide. Raise the sails and take the helm. That legendary place that the end of the map reveals is only legendary until someone proves it real. Through all the trouble of times, through the heartache and through the pain, know that I will be there to stand by you, just like I know you'll stand by me. So come aboard and bring along all your hopes and dreams. Together we will find everything